mudslide in the Cajas Mountains on our way down from Cuenca
that's
to
the place where we stopped on our way
to the coast.
Yeah, right here.
Alright guys, another day, another dose of vitamin D. I thought I saw a cat grab something. I think he ran in that hole right there. Is that a hole? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's got a bird. Can you see him? He's trying to climb in the window with the bird. He's barely making it. He's got his little cat sense up, thinking, okay, what do these people want? Is something gonna happen to me? There he goes. Oh, the bird's alive. Oh, bird must be damaged. I don't think you can even eat that whole thing. Just another day in Salinas, guys. Come on, just let the poor thing go. Ah, he doesn't speak English. Well, I tried. How about in Spanish? Déjalo, déjalo. Déjalo. Oh, he heard me.
He's gonna go have a feast.
Alright, well there you go. The homeowner has got himself a gift.